Hey guys, I am back with another video, and today I'm going to demonstration with this coffee maker. Demonstration videos are back. So this is a Cuisinart coffee maker. This is my grandparents. This is my grandfather's coffee maker. He actually got it on Father's Day. And this is actually two. So this is this is the main one, and this is the little one. And right here at the door is where you set your coffee filters. Like, I'll get one right now. This is what they look like. And
you put the water in.
And then this is the thing that has a line right there. I usually fill it up to 8, so don't request me about that. No request, please. So anyways, this is where you put your coffee filter right there. I'll put it on later. This is where you put your water in there, right there. Please excuse that sound. And please excuse that musical sound. The clock is chiming. So, once again, please excuse that sound. And please notice this sound. That's the clock. The first one was funny, and this next one was interesting. Anyways, forget about that. And this is the coffee for the Keurig cups. I'll show you that in the next video. And this is where you put your Keurig cups right there. You can put like 6 ounces, 8 ounces, and 10 ounces. What ounces do you make? What button do you push?
8.
You put 8 ounces, as you can see. And one more thing, this is the
Water reservoir.
This is the water reservoir. So it's still very shiny, very new. So anyways, today is a demonstration video, so let's fill this up with water. Flip this. Usually they do. Oops. Oh.
It doesn't flip.
Oh. Gotta make sure this is cold water. Okay. I'm not gonna stop it. See the line? Thank you. Let me move that thing. Let me set you guys up. Yeah, I know I have a small tablet, so I'm gonna have to put something on there. Can I use one of these? So I'll set you guys up. Alright. Here we go. Ooh, spilled a little bit. Don't worry, it's just a little spill. Okay, I hope I did it right this time. I know there's a little spill, but I guess I did it better this time, did I? Should I take this thing out? because I keep spilling with this thing. Okay, I already. It has to reach to the 8.
No, that's good.
So that's good. So anyways. This thing does not come out.
You don't have to take it out. I feel it right there. It does come out though.
Well, it will be easier.
Okay, we'll take it out.
By the way, to take it out, you'll have to hold this handle right there. I'll just have to set it in the sink. Anyways, so this requires like 4 scoops of coffee, and this will fill. And when you put like 4 scoops, it will fill like 8 cups of coffee. So as you can see, this is what my grandpa has. I don't drink coffee, but I wanted to demonstrate this for you guys. So, here's the first scoop.
1, 2.
Did I put 1.5 or no? Okay. Here's the second scoop. 2.
3, 4.
Ooh, 2 and a 4th. And then this is the third scoop. 3.
5, 6. I'll do not a full one.
Yeah, not a full one. And this is the 4th one, which is 4.
7, 8.
Before I put it back out, can I show them the?
Yeah.
Can I show them the thing? So this is the coffee. Here's your settings. This is the clean button. It lets you know when it's clean. These 2 right there, the hour and the HR and the min, that changes the clock. This one is the bold button. Don't know. And this is.
That's for darker coffee. Bold means darker.
That is for darker coffee. And this is the switch. This one is brew. This one is clock. This one is program. And this is on. So, and then this is the brew and more button. It turns off automatically, which I don't want. I don't know if I can't show you that. This is the L, M, H, and this is the
That's for temperature.
Carif temp.
Temperature. I put it in the middle.
And so he puts it in the middle. So anyways, let's go ahead and
put it on brew.
hold on. We need to. So let's load that in there. Ooh. Where's the thing? So let's put this on there. Put this right there. And remember to close it for safety. I am not going to open it the whole time. And this, so you gotta turn it on to brew. And then there's the brew and the more buttons, so let's do it.
No, you gotta turn the power on first over here.
Oh, and I totally forgot. This is the power button right there, as you can see. Here we go. And here we go. It lights up. So, let me push it a little so you guys can see better. Alright, so here we go. You hear click. It should start pretty soon.
Yeah, it takes us.
Oh, hearing the boiling a little bit. I want to look. And when this fills up with water, as it's filling right now, when it fills up with water, this thing will drain completely. I don't know if you guys can see this. There we go. When it fills up, this will go down, as you can see. Alright, see you later. Okay, see you later. My video. Sorry about that, guy. It's just the same. Sorry about the noise, guys. I promise I'll be quiet. One more thing. To the car wash viewers, yes, there will be at least one car wash video that I will film. And it starts with a Q. It's QQ car wash. So I'll upload this video first and soon I'll go to the car wash. So you'll stay tuned to that, everybody. Oh, you guys hear that? You guys hear that? Getting empty, guys. It's gonna keep going. It's still turning. Still running. I thought it could be done already. Yep, I think we're done. By the way, there's a little beep at the end too, which you're going to hear. And I'll tell my car wash lover that it's going to be done. You guys hear that? That means it's done. So you gotta not. That means it's gotta keep. It says warm. It says. I wonder why the beeping. What the beeping does. Your coffee is done.
Okay.
So anyways, you guys, that's the video. So, you guys watching. Bye-bye.